Presto Sketch, Halloween edition. Hey everyone! For this Halloween episode, we're going to draw a fun, friendly monster. The colors you'll need are black, yellow, brown, and a bluish-green color called turquoise. Let's get started by drawing a circle for the head. Then draw a smaller circle for the eye. Then an even smaller circle for the pupil. Next, give the monster a really big smile that stretches all the way across the face. And then 2 little triangles for teeth. Make 2 curvy triangles for the horns on the monster's head. Next up, let's draw a curvy square for the body. And then another curvy square for the belly part. Then we'll draw some arms and hands. Then some legs and feet. And a long slithery tail. Now take out your bluish-green marker and color the body and the head. With the yellow marker, we'll color the belly and the horns. Then with the brown marker, we'll color the legs and feet and make some lines on the belly and the horns. Finally, with the black marker, we'll go over the outlines and color in the pupil of the eye. Good job! You did it! If you like drawing along with me, please like and subscribe. See you in the next video.